morning everyone, class 6 student. Today is our second period of this chapter, geography portion, the earth in the solar system. So children, last class में हमने यूनिवर्स के बारे में पढ़ा था, then stars के बारे में पढ़ा था कि it is made up of hot gases which produce their own heat and lights are called stars, and many of the stars are called galaxy, and the other name of galaxy is Akash Ganga. And then our next topic was on that day constellation, a group of stars that appear to form a pattern. A group of stars, जब कोई group of star एक pattern बनाते हैं, that is called constellation. Okay, now today's topic, our new topic is solar system. Solar system. Now open at page 108 children. See the topic solar system and keep your finger on that topic. The Latin word sol means sun. So children, sol means sun. Okay, and system means family. That means sun's family. Now, the Latin word sol means sun and system refer to its family. In other words, the solar system is the family of the sun. It consists of the sun, the 8 planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors and comets. So, here solar system. Sol means sun, system means family. मतलब किसकी family children? Sun's family. And sun's की family में who are involved here? Planet, asteroids, meteors, comets. These are the things. Okay. Now, let us see our first topic, sun. Our first topic is sun. Nothing much more given here in this topic children. बस meaning बताया है. Sol means sun है and system means family. Okay. Suns की family में you all know planets are there, satellites are there, meteoroids are there, comets are there. Okay. These are the members of sun. Okay. Sun's family. Now our first topic is sun and it is very important children. Hold your pencil in your hand. I tell you the line which is important, you can underline it. Okay. The sun lies at the center of the solar system. As you all know children, आप लोगों ने solar system का diagram तो देखा ही होगा. Okay. Sun. It is in the center. Okay. And so many planets are there taking round in this way. As you all know, many of you know, sun is in the center. Okay. Now see, the sun lies at the center of the solar system and its largest member of the solar system. Who is the largest member here in this solar system children? Sun. Okay. Sun is a star and it is the largest member. The gravitational pull the sun holds the other member of the solar system in place. So many planets are, 7 planets are there children, as you all know. Yes. So why they are far away from sun, why they are not attract to each other? Because of gravitational force. Gravitational force के कारण ये attract नहीं होते, ये attack नहीं होते, एक दूसरे से टकराते नहीं हैं. ओके. ये अपने एक पाथ पर रिवॉल्व करते रहते हैं, रोटेट करते रहते हैं. ओके. The gravitational pull of the sun hold the other member of the solar system in place. The temperature of the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. See, this is sun. And the temperature of the surface means outer area, 6000 degrees Celsius. 6000 degrees Celsius. Underline this children. यहाँ से अंडरलाइन करो. द टेम्परेचर of the surface of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. Now see another line, it is also very important. While at the center of the sun it is about 1,50,000 degrees Celsius. सेंटर ऑफ द सन. अब बाहर के सरफेस की तो बात कर ली, मगर अंदर, ओके, अंदर का टेम्परेचर कितना होगा? 1,50,000. इतना टेम्परेचर है एट द सेंटर. Understood? This line is also very important, children. Being made of extremely hot gases, as you all know, children, sun is made up of hot gases, helium and hydrogen. Extremely hot it is. It is the sources of heat and light. Obviously, अगर ये गर्म है तो ये सोर्सेस है ही हीट और लाइट का. हीट होगी तो लाइट भी प्रोड्यूस होगी. ओके. It is the sources of heat and light for the planets. However, due to the distance of the earth from the sun is 150 million kilometer, as you all know, children, third planet is our earth. Earth होता है अपना third planet, and the distance from the sun is 150 million kilometer. 150 million kilometer. Okay, away from the sun. Our earth is 150 million kilometer away from the sun. Clear? We do not feel the tremendous heat of the sun. Underline this also. Okay, 150 million kilometer of the sun. Underline this also. We do not feel the tremendous heat of the sun. As you all know, children, कि sun का center का temperature 1,50,000 है and the outer surface 6,000 degree Celsius है. So as it is a sources of heat and light. So कितने दूरी पर है ये? 150 किलोमीटर from our planet. तो we cannot feel that much of heat. अगर हम पास होते तो लाइफ पॉसिबल ही नहीं होती, ड्यू टू हीटनेस, है ना. गर्म होने के कारण हमारे अर्थ पर लाइफ पॉसिबल होती नहीं. एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस पर है तो हमारे अर्थ पर लाइफ पॉसिबल है. ज़्यादा पास होंगे तो गर्म होगा और दूर होंगे तो कोल्ड होगा. ओके, दैट्स वाई अर्थ पर लाइफ पॉसिबल. एक परफेक्ट टेम्परेचर है इन आर अर्थ. दैट्स वाई हियर इन आर प्लैनेट लाइफ इज पॉसिबल. क्लियर? Light from the sun take about 8 minutes to reach the earth surface. So sun's light, so how much time it take to reach the earth? So here what is given? 8 minutes. कितना मिनट लेती है children? 8 minutes. It is very important and this topic is also very important. This much is given in your book. I repeat this again. Okay, see, sun is the center. Sun is the biggest member of this family. Okay, and so many, that means 7 planets are there around, revolving around the sun. Okay, and the outer surface, the outer surface temperature of the sun is 6,000 degrees Celsius, and at the center 1,50,000 degrees Celsius. Okay, and our earth 150 million kilometer away from the sun. In international language, 150 million kilometer of the sun. And how much time it take to reach the sunlight on our earth? 8 minutes only. Only 8 minutes it takes to reach on our earth. Clear, children? Now our next topic is planet. That is also very important. Hold your pencil in your hand, children. Our next topic is planet. Planets. Now see the para, children. The word planet is derived from a Greek word planets, meaning wanderer. Greek meaning of the planet is and the meaning is wanderer. बहुत बड़ा. Okay. There are 8 planets in our solar system. As you all know, 8 planets in our solar system. On the basis of their distance from the sun, they are as follows. On the basis of their distance. Distance means जैसे मैंने अभी आपको डायग्राम बना के बताया था, sun. Here sun, and here this is sun, and these are the planets. According to the distance it is given in your book. Okay, first is Mercury. First planet is Mercury. Second is Venus. Third is Earth. Okay, in these way planets are there. 8 planets are there. So, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planet closest to the sun are called inner planet. So how many planets are closest to the sun, children? How many planets are closest to the sun? These 4. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So these planets are called inner planet. What they are called, children? Inner planets. Clear? Underline it. The planet close to the sun are called inner planets. They include Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. So these 4 planets are inner planets. Clear? Underline it. Question में पूछ सकता है कि how many planets are there? How many planets are called inner planets? So you can write these names. Okay. Now, they are made up of rock and are also called terrestrial planet. Rock, as you all know, मैंने rock का meaning आपको बताया था कि rock means क्या होता है? पत्थर. Soil and पत्थरों से ही तो planets बनते हैं. And then the other name of these are called terrestrial planet. Underline it, children. What they are? The other name of these planets are called terrestrial planets. Terrestrial planets. Clear? Now, the rest 4 planet Jupiter. अब इतने planet तो हो गए, लेकिन इतने planets थोड़े ना थे. Total number of planets are 8. Okay. So these are the inner planets, and another name of inner planet is terrestrial planet. Why they are terrestrial planet, children? Because they are made up of rock. Now, the rest 4 planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. Obviously, जब ये inner planet है, तो another 4 are called outer planet. Sorry, outer planet. They are made up of gases and are also called gas planet. So what they are called, children? Gas planet. जो other 4 होते हैं, other जो 4 जो बच गए हैं, कौन से बचे हैं आप लोगों के children? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are called outer planet. Outer planet made up of gases. What? Made up of gases. See? Gases. Okay. And the other name of these planets are called gas planet. Outer planet or gas planet. Clear? Gas planet. Now, these 3 topics are completed today. Have you understood this topic, children? Okay. Now see this, children. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These first 4 planets are called inner planets or terrestrial planet. They are made up of rock. Clear? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, these are outer planet or gas planet made up of gas. Clear children? Now come to the next para. All these planets do not have heat and light of their own. Yes, they are made up of gases and these are made up of rock. How they have light? कैसे उनकी लाइट होगी खुद की? ओके, they receive light from the sun. तो इन these planet receive lights from the sun. इनको लाइट्स कहाँ से मिलती है चिल्ड्रन? From the sun. Light of their own but reflect the light of the sun. They revolve around the sun in fixed elongated path called orbit. Underline this. So, as you all know children, sun is there at the center of the solar system and these are the planets. These are the planets. Okay. They are revolving around the sun. ये घूमते हैं सन के चारों ओर. Yes, ये सन के चारों ओर घूमते हैं. And in a fixed elongated path, अपने ही रास्ते पर ये घूमते हैं. They are taking around in a fixed path. It's called orbit. Okay, तो इसको क्या बोला जाएगा children? Orbit. Clear? Now, while revolving, the planet also called on their axis. In this axis it can revolve. So every planet of the solar system take its respective time to rotate and revolve around the sun. So यहाँ पर सबसे फर्स्ट planet कौन सा था चलो? मर्क्यूरी. तो it take less time to take one revolution. It take more time Earth take more time क्योंकि सबके डिस्टेंस सबके जो ये और एक ऑर्बिट पाथ है या जो अपने ये एक्सिस पर ये घूमता है ना, धीरे धीरे बड़े होते जाएं तो इट टेक मोर टाइम टू टेक रिवॉल्यूशन. मर्क्यूरी से ज़्यादा वीनस लेगा, वीनस से ज़्यादा अर्थ लेगा, अर्थ के बाद जो आता है मार्स वो लेगा. ठीक है, दे आर टेक डिफरेंट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम टू टेक वन रिवॉल्यूशन. क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? नाउ सी. Though all planets are spherical in shape, as you all know, spherical क्या होता है? Round in shape. Okay, spherical in shape. However, they have distinct features. और सबके distinct features होते हैं. कोई red color होता है, कोई blue color होता है, कोई green. In this way. Okay. Now to this, now we will take next topic in another class. Thank you. Bye bye.